Hello. This is my first video, and it's already my third try trying to doing this, as you can see here. But with those, and the title, you probably know what this is about. How to change or add registry keys in C#. Console application or Windows Phones. I'll do Windows Phones. I don't think it's possible in console application, but I don't know. I haven't tried it. How to change registry key. Oh, my spelling sucks. So, I'll just go to Toolbox, add a label. It's gonna be successfully change registry key. Oh dude, I made the same spelling mistake again. Anyway, so you want to go in form load, and the first thing you want to do is using Microsoft.Win32. And then which registry key should I edit? Yeah, so I'll change this swap mouse buttons. Right now it's set to 0, and it's string value. So just remember that it's a string value. And then it's set to 0, which means swap mouse buttons is not activated. But if you want to activate it, you will go here and do registry key equals swap. You know what? Swap mouse buttons. Yep. Registry key equals swap mouse buttons. Dude, I haven't done coding in so long. Registry key swap mouse buttons equals registry dots. And then over here, you put current user, like you see over here, all of these, H key, current user, H key, local machine, H key users, H key current config, yeah, blah, blah, blah. Just remove the H key and the underscore, and then you need to put whatever the path is, you need to put that there. So right now, this path of mouse is in H key current user, so I'll be doing current user dot create subkey, and then you want to put in the destination after this without this slash. So control panel mouse. And also in C# you need to put 2 slashes so it doesn't give an error. And also I don't think that this will work if you do that. I don't think that will work. I tried that tons of times. Anyway, / mouse, and then we do smb dot set value, and then the swap mouse buttons, and then we set the value to 1, and sometimes we do registry value kind of string, like so. There's multi-string, which are all here, multi-string, expandable string, keyword, dword, binary string, yeah, okay. And then there's all of them here, like there's dword right there, dword, there's also keyword, yeah, you get the point. So this is a string. So now that's set to 1. Alright, let's test this. successfully changed registry key/key. And then if we restart the registry editor, swap mouse buttons, it's set to 1. So then all you need to do is like restart your computer for the changes to take effect. But yeah, so I'm gonna just change this back to 0. But like, say you just want to add 1. Add 1 is literally the exact same. Just don't put, like, just do that. And then, yeah, it will do the same thing, except it will make a new one. This technically won't make any changes, but like in some places it does. Like right now, and then restart registry key. Yeah, so you see this swap mouse buttons and swap mouse buttons. Well, this, I can delete that right now, but like, you get the point. So, yeah, that's the tutorial done. Have a great day.